Picture yourself in the 2024 Toyota Tundra. Get the job done in comfort and style in this tough-built Tundra. Its smooth ride, stable towing and handling, refined interior, and impressive standard safety and infotainment features give you the strength and security you need to make every project a win. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, head-up display, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated and/or cooled front seats, keyless entry, moonroof, navigation system, satellite radio, fog lamps, power passenger seat. Strength blends beautifully with comfort in this well-appointed Tundra. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.